Hi there, and welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to use ActiveCampaign. It's simple to get started, and if you want to follow along, I've included a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account quickly. When you first log in, you'll see the main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your recent activities, upcoming tasks, and campaign performance. Before diving into campaigns, it's important to set up your account correctly. Head over to the Settings tab. Here you can update your account information, manage users, set up integrations with other tools, and customize your preferences. Next, let's create a contact list. Go to the Contacts tab, then click on Lists. Click on Add a new list, and fill in the details like list name, URL, and a brief description. This list will be the foundation of your email marketing efforts. Now that we have our contact list ready, let's design our first email campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and click Create a Campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want to create, like a standard one-time email or an automated series. Make sure your email is visually appealing and has a clear call to action. Once you're happy with the design, click Next to select your recipients and schedule your campaign. One of ActiveCampaign's most powerful features is automation. Automations allow you to send emails, add tags, or move contacts based on their behavior. To set up an automation, go to the Automations tab and click Create an Automation. You can start from scratch or choose from a variety of pre-built templates. Select a template, set your trigger, and customize your workflow to fit your marketing strategy. After launching your campaigns and automations, it's crucial to track their performance. Go to the Reports tab to view detailed analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and more. This data will help you understand what's working and where you can improve. We hope this guide has given you a clear understanding of how to leverage ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.